So the dogs have figured out that the cicadas like it over here in the ivy. Right, Roscoe? What are you doing? What you doing? Hmm? What you doing back there? Hey, Roscoe. What are you doing? Well, I'm fighting a losing battle here, I think. Because I can't stop these guys from eating every cicada that they're going to eat. And hopefully enough of them get up here high where they can't be reached. That's what I'm hoping for, up on top of the fence. Alright, like this one up here. Those guys up there. Well, some of them get their wings dried off. Maybe they'll fly up to the high spots. I don't know. I just don't know. So the red things that I found on the leaves are not, they have nothing to do with cicadas. These are galls. I don't know what the story is with these galls, but they're on the leaves. That'll be the next thing to find out. It's going to be a terrible, I don't think it's going to hurt them too bad, hopefully. Come on, boys. Get out of the ivy, come on. I don't know. Let's see what we got over here. Cicada, cicada. You say cicada, I say cicada. I think I ended up mowing over a bunch of them yesterday because I cut the grass. But there's more where that came from. Bo, hey, stop it. Bo, stop eating them. Get it. Get. Roscoe, stop eating it. It's pretty disgusting, boys. Look at all these shells on the tree. So those are all ones that have emerged and gotten away. In theory, they climbed up in the tree somewhere. They'll start humming at some point, but I don't care. They can hum all they want. That's fine with me. That's like a part of summer, is having the cicadas hum. Bo, get out of there. Leave it. Leave it. Roscoe. Get out of there. No, get out of there. Get out of there. Come on. I give up. Now this looks like the gummy one I found the other night. You see it? I don't know how close I can get with this thing. And then this one looks like it had a little difficulty getting out of its shell, and that's as far as it made it. You know, I think they must lose a whole bunch of their friends in the process of trying to get enough of these up here to survive. The species survives regardless. But this guy here, that's what you need to do. They all need to climb like this one. And there's one flying right now. I can see it flying up in the trees, so that's a good thing. They can fly. So once they get their wings dried out, they need to start flying and get up out of the grass so the dogs won't be tempted. I can't remember from 4 years ago when they stopped being a problem. Come on, guys, come on. The dumb ones like this that sit down on a 2-inch blade of grass and think they're going to be safe. It's not real smart. Come on, go. Good. Now you go too. Come on. What are you doing? Come on. Come on, go. Now it's going to fly down on the grass again. So, me trying to intervene at all has no good purpose, because they're all going to still do what they do, and dogs are still going to eat them. What are you doing? Why don't you want to be up in the tree? Where do I need to put you? On top of the fence? Alright, let's go to the top of the fence. But do me a favor, don't fly down into the grass again, alright? Because that makes no sense. Come on. Get. Thank you. You make it? The plastic's too slippery. Come on. Get up there.